Hi everybody, we're going to do what we call the 5th grade review page. This is great when you're in April, May at the end of the 5th grade year, or if you're at the beginning of the 6th grade year, it's great to go back and remind yourself how all this stuff sounds and how it works. So let's just play straight through it. Here we go. I'm looking at song number 41, going way back. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. 54. 1, 2, 54, and go. Good. All right. 61. 1, 2, and ready, go. Good. All right, as we look at number 78, now we're starting to look at that key signature accidental thing again. So if you need to go back and review that, this would be a great time to do that. Let's play that. Number 78. 1, 2, and ready, go. Three, 4. Good. All right. 84, just a little bit more fancy. We got about 12 of those key signature accidental notes that we got to make sure we can understand. Here we go. 1, 2, 84, and... How'd you do? All right, let's turn the page. Now looking at number 86, this is where we're starting to play up on our higher notes. And remember the dynamics on this one. We're going to play full, forte, and then we're going to also play piano or quietly. That's all about the muscles. All about the muscles, keeping the airspeed fast, but keep it quiet. Here we go. Muscles. 1, 2, 86, and go. Good. All right, remember you can go back and do any of these songs with the video, just pop back a little bit and play them again. Number 88, this is our first full scale. Here we go. 1, 2, 88, go. How'd you do? That was a little newer, so you may need to work on that a little bit more. Fine, let's move on to 107. We're really working on this for the clarinets because they're learning some new notes there at that point, but it's a good one for us to review too. Here we go, 107. 1, 2, 107, go. Good? All right. Now we're looking at what we call the 6th grade 5-note scale. So we learned our first 5 notes at the beginning of 5th grade, and now we're going to start on that top note and work on our next 5 notes, and those are the ones we want to get really good at in the 6th grade year. So we're going to have a whole rest in between each of them. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, faster, tighter, go. 1, 2, ready. 1, high D, 1 finger, ready, fast, go. 1, still high, high C, go. Good, don't drop it low, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. Good? All right. Now we're going to move on to the next one, which is our May Challenge test in 5th grade, which is 132 for the trumpets, and that's going to be us. So here we go. 132. 1, 2, 132. 3, 4. 3, 4. Good? All right. Now 133 is pushing us a little bit because we're going up high and the notes are a little bit faster. But just remember that after you get past those first 5 notes, they're all quarter notes and they're all easy. So you got 3 spots where you have to do 3, 1, and 3, and 1, and at that point it gets easy. Okay? So take it a little chunk at a time, get those 5 notes at the beginning right. The rest of it's quite easy. Here we go. 1. I'm going to count to 3 plus 2, and we're going to come in on beat 3 of the second measure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, go. Good? All right. Play this stuff every day. You'll be doing really well. If you're in 5th grade and doing this and you can play all these songs, 6th grade is going to be really good and easy for you when we get to that point. If you're in 6th grade, make sure you get caught up on all these songs because you really need to be able to do these to be able to play this year, all the things we're going to learn this year. All right, keep playing every day. Have a great day.